Hi everyone, thank you for using the online Vigor Active exercise demonstrations. My name is Stephen Newhart, I'm the owner of Vigor Active. I'm here with fitness professional Kelsey Sultan. We're going to show you the seated Pec Fly Machine today. This machine works just the front of your chest. It's going to work a little bit of your bicep group, and it'll really just strengthen your shoulder area and give you more strength in your chest. Okay, so first is the adjustments. Okay, there's really only one adjustment on this machine, and that's good. Okay, so you have this little knob here. You can pull it out, that drops down or up. The purpose of that and where you want to set it is that after you sit down, so Kelsey, go ahead and sit down on that. You'll sit, and then when you stick your hands out, you want them to contact the handles without your arm being way up here or too far down. Your arm should be able to be at completely parallel to the floor and make a T with your body. Okay, so once again, we don't want to be down like this or up like this. This is a pretty good spot for her. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is internally rotate your shoulders. So if my elbows are pointing down, I'm going to turn them back like that. She just did that, that tightened up everything. Okay, so that's the first safety portion of doing a pec fly. After that, she's going to tense everything and then squeeze to where her hands come together. Okay. The angle of your elbow is extremely important. Kelsey, go ahead and go through a couple reps for us. If 180 degrees is a straight line, I'm going to set my elbows at about a 170-degree bend. So I'm going to bend about 10 degrees, and I'm going to maintain a very tight elbow as I go through the exercise. Okay, so once again, my shoulder's internally rotated, so my elbows are pointing back, and my elbow is at 170 degrees and tight. That way, I'm squeezing through the chest. One last guideline for this exercise is Kelsey is already doing it. You want to make sure that your shoulder blades are down and back slightly so that as you're pulling in, nothing is rounding forward in your back. Everything's staying in contact and the chest is performing the squeeze. Okay, so there she is like that. She squeezes right through her chest. She should get a nice little burn in the chest there. If you would like a breathing pattern as she comes forward, she'll blow out, and then she's going to breathe in as she comes back. Once again, with this exercise, just like every other, we don't want to set the weight down, okay? We want to make sure that as she comes to the back, the weight stack is not touching or resting, and the tension stays on the pecs. So we'll just look at one more repetition from Kelsey. And she comes in, nice tight elbow, squeezes her chest group, and she goes all the way back. Now she can set it down. That is the Pec Fly Machine at Vigor Active.